Now, dear students, according to Rutherford, he explained about an atom. He discovered about atom has two parts, nucleus and extranuclear part. Therefore, important is who discovered nucleus? Rutherford. Now, according to Rutherford, radius of an atom is 10 raised to power minus 10 meters. Radius of nucleus 10 raised to power minus 15 meters. And which after small calculations, volume or size of atom is 10 raised to power 15 times 10 raised to power 15 times as compared to nucleus. But in Rutherford model, there were some limitations that he could not explain about stability of atom because electrons are moving around the nucleus and by which energy electrons are stable while moving around the nucleus. It was limitation of Rutherford model of atom. This limitation and about atom further was discovered by Bohr. Bohr made about stability of an atom. Bohr gave a theory which is very important from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th and up to entrance classes with different levels. In 9th class, we shall study starting of Bohr's theory. He explained about stability of an atom. According to him, an atom is divided into two parts, nucleus and extranuclear part. In nucleus we have protons and neutrons. These are called nucleons. Electrons are moving outside the nucleus. Electrons are moving around the nucleus in fixed circular path. It is called new word orbit. Orbit word was discovered by Bohr. What is the definition of orbit? It is fixed circular path around the nucleus in which electrons move. These are These orbits are 1, 2, 3, 5. Or these are called K, L, M, N, O. As long as electron moves in its orbit, it has fixed energy. These are called orbits in which electrons move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these orbits have fixed energy, which explain about stability of atom. In these orbits, we have different number of electrons with the formula. These orbits have electrons with formula 2n square. N is number of orbit, like 1, 2 into 1 square 2, n equal to 2, 8, n equal to 3, 18, n equal to 4, 32. Mean in first orbit there can be maximum 2 electrons. In second orbit there can be maximum 8 electrons. In third orbit there can be maximum 18 electrons. In fourth orbit there can be maximum 32 electrons. Now slightly higher level as compared to ninth class, that is, these electrons present in these orbits are further divided. It is divided into one part. Just to remember, just to learn, its number is 1. It is divided into one part, 2. It has number 2. It is divided into two parts. It is divided as 2, 6. It is divided into three parts, 2, 6, 10. It has number 4. It is divided 2, 6, 10, 14. These are further division of parts, electrons present in any orbit. These further divided parts in which electrons are present in orbits, they are called orbitals. Orbit are further divided into parts called orbitals. orbitals. These will be studied in 11th and 12th class. Here, this chapter structure of atom is completed up to 9 and slightly higher than 9 level. Thank you, please.